Hello, assalamu alaikum. In this lecture session, actually, once again, I'm talking about the text formulas, right? So now or today, we will learn some other text formulas, right? For example, left one. Okay, so left, it means I would like to retrieve some data from the left side. For example, this one, first name, right? Okay, equal. So if I apply this one, right, equal left, left, right, just first parenthesis, select the text, okay, and give comma. The number character, it means how many characters you would like to retrieve, right? For example, I would like to retrieve the 4 characters. Then click enter, first bracket close, click enter. Please see here, 4 character we retrieved from the first time. It means the first time, right? On the other hand, right, think about it's a reverse, right? So equal, right, gst, right, first parenthesis, text, for example, text, right, and number characters, for example, 5 characters I will retrieve, right? So bracket close and enter. Please see here from the right side, 5 characters retrieve, I mean Smith, right? Okay, uh, for example, uh, I would like to uh, retrieve the some mid value, okay, some functions from the middle, okay. So equal, for example, equal mid, first parenthesis, text, I mean which text, for example, I'm searching uh, this one, okay. So now it's asking the start number. For example, start number is from here we can retrieve the, for example, fifth, okay, fifth, right? And how many characters you would like to retrieve? For example, I would like to retrieve 5 character or 6 character, right? 6 character. Click enter. So please see here. So it start from 5 character. LIS, ELIS, 5, right? So the fifth position is E. So mid value start or give the result from E to 6 character. So E dot BROW, right? So from 5 to 6 characters, it give the result. Okay. On the other hand, I would like to know what is the length of my length of this email ID or email address, right? So in this case, I can write here length, LEN, right? Length, first parenthesis, just select here. Okay. So here actually you will find the 23rd character, right? Just see the, you will find 23rd character. Okay. Okay. So in this way we can uh, retrieve the retrieve the identify the length and retrieve the mid value, left value, and right value. On the other hand, in the previous video we have already learned how to apply or how to practice the upper function, upper, lower, and proper case. On the other hand, for example, the concatenate, right? Maybe my first name, okay, my first name is a Nazmul, right? My last name is a Hassan, okay, and my ID. For example, if I'd like to say my email ID at the rate of, for example, at the rate of yahoo.com, right? It will not take because Excel, by default, Excel will not start using the yeah at the rate of function. That is why we need to make it a single quotation. Okay, now, so there are 3 cells. I would like to make it a email ID, right? So equal concatenate, sorry. So first one, comma, second cell, comma, the third cell, right? Okay, here you will see automatically it will create a email ID, right? On the other hand, in many cases we need to put the dot, for example, Nazmul dot Hassan. So where we need actually the dot. We need the dot here, right? So after the Nazmul. So place double quotation, right, comma. Within the double quotation, put a dot sign, right? Uh, okay, Nazmul dot Hassan. On the other hand, if you would like to see here Nazmul underscore, so right here the underscore, right? Okay, that's a Nazmul underscore. So in this way, we can create the email ID automatically, right? So it's a simple example of concatenate, right? I mean the concatenate function. There are lots of thousands of hundreds of example of concatenate function, right?